Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a homemade lobster hook. First, gather your materials. You'll need a sturdy rod, ideally 3 to 4 feet long, and a strong, corrosion-resistant wire, such as 10-gauge stainless steel. These items form the backbone of your tool. Having the right materials from the start ensures your hook will be effective and last a long time in saltwater environments. Next, let's shape the hook itself. Take one end of your chosen wire and, using strong pliers, carefully bend it into a tight, U-shaped hook. Aim for an opening of about 1.5 inches. This size is ideal for catching lobsters without causing harm. Ensure the curve is smooth and rounded to prevent any sharp edges that could snag or break. Now it's time to attach your newly shaped hook to the rod. Position the hook firmly against one end of the rod. You can use a strong, waterproof epoxy for a permanent bond or heavy-duty tape for a more temporary solution. For extra security, wrap the entire attachment point tightly with electrical tape. This ensures your hook won't come loose during use. Finally, give your homemade lobster hook a thorough inspection. Double-check all connections to ensure everything is completely secure and won't fail when you need it most. Also, carefully smooth any sharp edges on the hook itself to prevent injury and ensure safe handling. Your custom lobster hook is now ready for action. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.